we say diet, means the food we intake or consume. We all need food to maintain good health because we all want to live happily, peacefully, gracefully, without any disease. See, our body is made up of trillions of cells which form different muscles, tissues, which collectively forms various systems to perform different functions, like digestive system, which includes our mouth, epiglottis, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Collectively, it is digestive system, which is performing a function. What it does, it digests, it breaks down, digests, assimilate and absorb food, what we intake. Metabolism takes place in the mitochondria of cell. Conversion of energy from end products of food, that is glucose, amino acid, lipids, to energy, ATP, to run cellular processes where adenotriphosphate, ATP, is produced. ATP is used in chemistry of cytoplasm. In mitochondria, ATP breaks one of its phosphate and release energy. This adenotriphosphate becomes adenodiphosphate, which again takes one phosphate from end product of the food and become adenotriphosphate, ATP. It breaks one phosphate to release energy. In this way, cycle goes on. All system have its own mechanism to work. Excretory system comprised of kidney, urethra, ureters, urinary bladder, which is responsible for filtration and excretion of waste and toxins from our body. Circulatory system made up of heart, arteries, veins, blood cells, platelets, capillaries. Role of circulatory system is to purify and circulate blood to entire body cells, to provide oxygen to each cell, to perform various functions. Then there are nervous system having brain, nerves, respiratory system to respire, lymphatic system, reproductive system to reproduce the species, then muscular system for strengthen, and skeleton system made up of bones to provide a form, structure and shape to the body. So how all these systems perform different functions? These require fuel in terms of energy, in terms of ATP, which is produced by the end product of the food we eat. Confused, na? Okay, leave it. Simply in one sentence, to run a car, you need energy in terms of petrol or diesel or electricity nowadays. In the same fashion, to live life, to run this life vehicle, we need energy in terms of food. Okay, we won't go in biological process or chemistry of mechanism, what is happening inside, nor we use any scientific or difficult medical terms. In simple and understandable language, for proper functioning of body, we need food. That energy is dependent on this food we eat. So we must be conscious what we are eating. So there is a checklist, important checklist to see. First point in checklist is quality. Quality means the nutritional value of food. Like you must have all nutritional value, carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamin in your plate. You don't go on taste, don't go on temptational way of presenting or any societal peer pressure. Go on high quality food. Next is quantity. It depends on your structure, body weight, state of health. Either you have any cardiac or renal or diabetes, obesity, anemia. In general, don't overload your abdomen. And at night, very less quantity. Way of cooking: boiling, steaming, stir frying, deep frying, poaching, broiling, grilling, baking. Lots of methods are there. Steaming and boiling and cooking in less oil, these are good methods. Avoid stir frying. Heat damages vitamin E, C, most of the B complex vitamins. Lots of utensils are used: brass, steel, mud, Utensils are also important. Avoid using aluminum utensils. Next in the checklist is time and duration, very important. Eat like a king at breakfast, like a queen at lunch, but like a poor at night. Duration is important. Gap of 5-6 hours between the meal is important. Give time to its function, the mechanism of digestion, and at night give maximum time 8 to 10 hours so that the body repairs at this time, and repair and maintenance is done at night. Next is temperament, like temperament of food, temperament of self, temperament of environment. Avoid eating when you are very angry or very excited or in a anxious state of mind. Calm down and then eat. It is temperament of food also, and check the temperament of environment in which you are eating. There must be harmony between the temperament of food, temperament of self, temperament of environment. Next is the source of food. Chemical fertilizers, pesticides used are very bad for health. For profit purpose, companies are selling highly processed food without having any nutritional value, hybrid quality of food. They are playing with your health, but you don't compromise with your health. Use the organic and the right kind of food. Don't be fool and blind. Don't run after these fake advertisements. Next is the way of eating, very important. Chew your food. Chew, chew, chew till it becomes in liquid form. Initial stage of digestion, the breaking down of starch starts here in the mouth. So chew your food well. So these are the checklist for diet. You must be mindful and be conscious about your diet. See, God has provided us such a fantastic, marvelous system and mechanism. Don't misuse it, don't abuse it. Be mindful. Have mercy on your system. Follow these checklists to lead a healthy and happy life. Quality of food, quantity of food, way of eating, way of cooking, duration, time, temperament, everything is important. All these points are equally important. Be conscious. Avoid diseases. Be the master of your mind, master of your life. Little consciousness will make you the best person, the healthy person, the happy person. Little consciousness and discipline can prevent the diseases, eradicate the diseases, and make you healthy and happy.